Welcome to Antony's Training and Solution. This is Antony Raj, co-founder of Antony's Training and Solution. And I worked as a H1B preparation executive earlier. I wanted to share my information in this video about how to get the relevant documents for a particular scenario. So this year, USCIS has introduced online application form filling. So the employees can fill the data and upload the documents online, or they can send it by post also to USCIS. So filling it online is a very easy process. So I took that one. I wanted to learn more, and then I wanted to educate my students. So basically, as a part-time, I'm doing this H1B preparation work and also teaching the student how to become a H1B preparation executive. Fine. Then I also do L1A, L1B preparation. Then I conduct green card filing information also, right? That's what I do. So this year I got a few opportunities from my known circles, how to file an online application for regular cap, then how to file an online application for master's cap, then how to file for extension, and as well as how to file for H1B transfer. So the scenario that I'm going to explain is about a candidate who is located in United States. The candidate is a Indian citizen, foreign national. That means that candidate cannot stay permanently in United States without proper supporting documents. Fine. So the background is the candidate obtained the master's degree from India, and after that, for future studies, the candidate went to United States, and the candidate obtained master's degree from a US university in information technology. Then the candidate received an offer letter from a US employer, and the current salary of the candidate is around $65,000. So the candidate cannot stay in United States with the current visa status she has. Okay, that is, the candidate has got around 3 years of visa validity because of her STEM, and that candidate is on F1 visa. Okay, in order to stay permanently in United States, that candidate must file for work permit. That is one of the options. So the candidate approached an employer, and the employer agreed to file the online application, and the employer was willing to offer around $105,000. The candidate was very happy about the salary, and the employer asked me to coordinate with the candidate to get the relevant documents and to fill the form online. Okay, that is how I got into this one. Fine. So let me share my screen and explain what are the relevant documents I received and why I received that one. Okay. So these are the documents I obtained from that candidate. Okay. The first one is LCA, right? I have numbered here Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, Exhibit 3. Don't think about exhibit as a big one. This is all about fine evidence. Okay. Evidence for each document, I have numbered that one. If it is LCA, I will say 1. If it is bachelor's degree, I will say 3, right? I'm grouping the relevant documents with a particular number, fine, for identification purpose. And that is what is called as exhibit, nothing else. Okay. So let me go to this US online application screenshot. Okay. Here you can see evidence. Okay. Under that, certified labor condition is there, exhibit 1. Evidence of qualified specialty occupation, evidence 2. Degree or evidence of specialized training, exhibit 3. License and certificate, exhibit 4. Contract or agreement, exhibit 5. Passport, right? This is 6. This is H1B registration selection notice 7, and maintenance of status 8. Okay. So first what I did, I understood this H1B online application form, collected relevant documents from the candidate, and you can see choose, right? Suppose if you've chosen certified labor condition application, I'll click this choose and I'll upload this document. Before this, there are other sections, I-129 online application form, which consists of 3 segments. Okay. I-129 petition, then H classification supplement, and data collection. All of these forms were filled manually and posted to USCIS earlier. Now this year, USCS has provided this opportunity to file it online. So I filled the data online in all these 3 sections. Okay. And I saved that one. And then next one is evidence. Fine. I need to upload the evidence. Okay. Certified labor condition application. That's what they asked. So here you can see exhibit 1 is LCA. I filed it online. I got this LCA, and you can see this one LCA. Second one is specialty occupation. This is a very technical thing. Okay. We must prove that the job offered is a specialty occupation and the candidate is eligible for that one. So I collected documents from online and I consolidated that one, combined that one, and I put it as exhibit 2. Okay. That's what you see here as exhibit 2. The third one is degree. As I explained to you, I collected documents. Okay, this is bachelor's transcript, bachelor's degree certificate, master's degree, and master's degree certificate. So then comes your license and certificates. This candidate doesn't have license, so I obtained the certificates from that candidate. And you can see the list of certificates the candidate has obtained: business analytics certification, data analytics for business professional certification, and Excel for BA certification. So I numbered that one as exhibit 4A and B. Okay, C. Then okay, written contract, terms of agreement, right? So that means offer letter, those kind of things. So that is exhibit 05. So it should be somewhere here. Okay, you can see this one exhibit. Okay, maybe because I did not have this underscore, it has gone up. Okay, that is my assumption. Let me put this underscore here. Fine. Now it has come to current employer offer letter. Okay, that is the employer. Okay, who is processing the H1B work permit with USAS. That means the employer who is sponsoring for the H1B, right? The offer letter I have posted here. And then comes your passport or travel document, right? Travel document is not available here. So I got passport information, and that's what you see here. Okay, passport. Along with that, okay, these are all important documents. Okay, along with the passport, I uploaded I-94 visa, EAD, and I-20 because these are all evidences which supports that this person has got the eligibility criteria to work in United States in this H1B specialty occupation. So I uploaded all the documents here in this section, passport or travel document, H1B registration selection notice. This is the first process where the candidate gets selected in the online application and USAS issues a H1B selection registration notice, and that is what you see here, H1B registration selection notice. Fine. So this is done here. Okay. And next, maintenance of status. Maintenance status means what are the important documents. The first one is a passport. Okay, it must have proper validity. And second one is I-94 document. Fine. So that must have proper validity. And the third one is salary slips, right? To maintain the status. So what I did, I uploaded okay, all the documents here. You can see this one, passport, I-94, salary slips. Okay. Then what happened? These are the important documents that are expected by the USCIS. On top of it, I need to prove that this candidate is a suitable candidate for this H1B work permit, right? So I prepared a cover letter and I created a support letter. This support letter will justify that these are the capabilities that the candidate has got. Okay, it will describe about okay why this petition submitted, about the employer, what the employer does, what is the requirement, what are the duties allocated to the candidate, how this support letter justifies the specialty occupation expected by the USCIS, and then the degree or degrees that have been obtained by the candidate, the technical skills that are possessed by the candidate, the subjects that are studied by the that have been studied by the candidate in bachelor's and as well as in master's, and how they are relevant to the requirement. Fine. All of that information will be provided in the support letter, and in which project that candidate is going to work with that employer. This one is provided by the employer. resume. And finally, as I told you, that candidate is working with the client to maintain the status. I received this information. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to fill form online and we need to upload these documents and pay the relevant fees with USCIS. After some time, maybe like 1 month to 6 months period, we will get a notification from USCIS whether the candidate is selected, that is approved, or whether more information is needed. Then if it is approved, then this candidate is all set. That candidate can immediately work with this future employer with this H1B work permit. And if the USCIS needs more information, they will send a request for evidence, RFP, and the employer must respond for that one. Based on that, USCIS will take a call whether to reject that response for the RFP or to accept the response for the RFP and issue the USCIS H1B approval notice. That is all about this. Fine. So I teach this one. And if you think that you need this certification from me and as well as to learn knowledge, these are all like practical things. Whatever I explained here, that will be explained manually with several application forms, and you will get an idea how to do it. Fine. So if you're interested, please reach me and we will take it from there. Thanks a lot. This is once again Anthony from Anthony's Training and Solution. And if you have any questions, please ping me in this video. Okay, bye.